ceasefire resumes, Taliban prisoner release ahead of peace talk. Austria will file charges against a person who has confessed to spying for Turkey's secret service. Japan's ruling party set September 14 votes on PM Abe's successor. Saudi Arabia Crown Prince and Kushner discuss resuming Palestinian-Israeli talks. Hamas-Israel agreed to cease fire over border violence. Pakistan puzzles health expert as virus cases drop. Jordan decrees quarantine for students with negative coronavirus test. Macron says foreign interference main challenge facing Iraq. Some schools will continue distance education in the UAE. Norway Parliament was targeted with a cyber attack and email accounts of various parliament members and employees were hacked. AstraZeneca plans deals to produce 10 million of more vaccine doses. In Pakistan, 8,813 are active coronavirus cases in the country.